Welcome to Zorgani Academy, Learning Management System. Lesson 8, Create Paid Courses by Daryl Wilson.
Since we have now made a course, I think at this point you guys know how to create courses now with the Tutor LMS plugin. However, we are not done yet. Let's say, for example, you guys do want to have a paid course, right? Let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna add a paid course and we'll also create coupon codes for this course as well. Up here, let's go to dashboard. All right, so let's get started. First, let's go over here to products and we're gonna click on add new products. Now guys, I'll be very honest. The payment checkout or the way to add paid courses with this plugin is a little unorthodox, but it still works, right? The product name is gonna be Web Design Course, right? We're not gonna put any description, okay? This is a virtual product and this is for Tutor LMS. How much does this course cost? Well, it costs about $100. Makes sense, right? Now I'm gonna click on publish. All right, so now that we've created this product, we now need to assign this product to the actual course, which makes it a little interesting. Over here under Tutor LMS, we're gonna go to courses. Now we are going to assign this web design product to this web design course. So right here, you'll see that it says select a product. I'll go ahead and select the web design course product, which does cost $100. And once I do that, I will then click on update. Now this is required for paid courses. Okay, so I just wanna make that very clear. We now need to adjust some other settings and also install a plugin really quick. So over here, we have WooCommerce. We're gonna go to settings and we're gonna click on account and privacy. And we're gonna make sure for the account creation that we have this selected and also these two selected as well. We're then gonna scroll down and click on Save Changes. Next, we're going to install two plugins. Over here under Plugins, we're gonna click on Add New. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna type in PayPal. And we're going to integrate this with PayPal so that we can accept credit cards from anywhere around the world. So right here we have WooCommerce Payments. I'm gonna click on Install Now, and then I'm gonna click on Activate. All right, now it might bring you to like a screen where it wants you to sign up, and we don't need to do that. We're gonna go actually back to Add New, and there's one more plugin that we need to install. Over here under Search Plugins, we're gonna type in Order Status Control. All right, and here's the plugin that you're going to need to install. It's called Order Status for WooCommerce. Make sure you guys activate this. And that's all you have to do. Just make sure that it's active. I'll explain why we installed this plugin a little bit later. The next thing we need to do is we need to now connect our website with PayPal. Now, for those of you who are brand new to PayPal, PayPal is a free service. It does not cost you guys anything whatsoever. It allows users to check out with credit cards or pay directly with their PayPal account. So users can use credit cards and not even have to log in to PayPal. So your customers will not have to even have a PayPal account in order for you to accept payments with PayPal. So right here, you'll click on sign up and you're gonna make sure that you select a business account. Once you guys do that, you'll click on next and then you'll just go through the process right here of signing up with PayPal. And once you guys do that, you guys will be redirected to your PayPal dashboard. Now, I already have another PayPal account and I'll link it up here in just a bit, but I'm gonna just go ahead and just go back to paypal.com for now. And let's just go back to our website. So let's do that. Now we're gonna go over here to, to plugins and click on install plugins. And now I'm first going to connect PayPal with our website. So right here, I'll click on settings. All right, so first we want to go ahead and we have this checked. We also want to do advanced credit card processing. And we want to make sure we accept credit cards from all networks, right? So we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on activate PayPal. Now I'll be very honest guys, PayPal has made this way easier. Before this was very difficult to use PayPal with WooCommerce. In fact, you had to hire a developer, but now it's really simple. So you'll just go ahead and enter in your PayPal email. Click on next, and I'll click on login. Now it's gonna ask us if we want to connect PayPal with our WooCommerce developers. I'm gonna click on agree and connect. All right, now the next thing we're gonna do is over here under PayPal card processing, we're gonna click on this little tab and we're gonna make sure that this is enabled here as well. All right, and once that's done, you'll click on Save Changes. All right, and there's one more setting we need to adjust, and that is under the General tab. So over here under General, we're gonna scroll down, and under the order status to completed, you wanna make sure this is select to all orders. Now what this does is, instead of actually making the course pending until payment is received, this will just automatically approve all of the payments so the users will have access to their courses right away. If you don't have this plugin, that means when the user purchases the course, they will not have access into it until you complete it in the orders section. So right here, just make sure this is selected to all orders and go to Save Changes. So let me just go over here to orders and just kind of explain what I'm talking about here. So over here under orders, right? By default, if someone purchases something, it'll say processing until you actually go to the actual order right here and you select completed. Once you do that, then the user will have access to the course. However, I do believe it's better to just have these completed automatically. So if the user does pay you, they will have access to the course right away. Because if they do buy a course for $500 or $1,000, and they don't have access to it right away, they're gonna be very upset and they're gonna start emailing you and you could lose a customer. So I highly recommend to have that plugin so it'll automatically set all the orders set to completed. All right, so that's why we use that plugin. Now that we've actually adjusted all of these settings, we have our payment gateway set up. Now let's go ahead and add in a coupon code.